The Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti conduct entrance exam for admission into class 6 and 9. After JNV results are announced, students who scored below the cutoff marks are placed on a waiting list. The Navodaya waiting list is for students who narrowly missed the cutoff. Make if sets are vacancy due to students who were selected but did not just join or left the school. These sets are offered to students on the waiting list. New JNV Class 6 application form out, apply online. Also check Get Scholarship Net Journey. JNV will issue only 2 waiting lists to fill vacancies created by provisionally selected candidates who decline admission or fail to submit required documents. The JNV 2025-6 admission process will be cancelled by December 31, 2025. However, NVS reserves the right to modify this timeline if necessary due to administrative reasons. The NVS results this waiting list a few months after the entails Navodaya Class 6 result and Class 9 Class JNV results are announced. Students will be able to check the JNV waiting list on the official website navodaya.gov.in. If the candidate's name is on the Navodaya waiting list and as sets becomes available, they will be candidates by the responsive Navodaya Vidyalaya. The Navodaya admission process will then be completed based on the available of sets and category general, OBC, SC, ST. Reasons for waiting list release. Student on the waiting list will be offered admission if the sets become vacancies due to qualified candidates declining admissions, student withdrawing their applications, or student leaving the school. Sets allowance from the Navodaya school waiting list will be strictly based on merit and categories. JNV waiting lists are used only when a Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya has not filed its allowance student strength on their 40 to 80 students. In such cases of under-enrollment, the JNV reports the vacant positions to its religious office RO. The RO then provides the name of eligible student from the waiting list to fill the available seats. Last year for the JNV Class 6 admission at the total students were regarded comprising boys and girls of the registered students appeared for the exam. Boys and girls Ultimately, students were select the boy and girls making the final selection list. Where can I check the JNV waiting list? The waiting list for JNV Class 6 Navodaya Vidyalaya Class 9th admission is published after the identical admission round concludes. Students on this list are offered admissions based on their merit ranking. As vacancies become available, candidates can be checked their NVS waiting list. Student on the official website. Also selected student from the waiting list will be candidates directly by the responsive Navodaya Vidyalaya. How to check the Navodaya Vidyalaya waiting list 2025? To check the student of the waiting list, the candidates will need their roll number and date of birth. The JNV website will be provide instructions on how to access the waiting list. Student can also follow the given steps to check the JNV waiting list online. Get to the official Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti website. Find the latest news update selection. Click on the related to the waiting list class 6 and 9. Enter the candidate's roll number and date of birth as printed on their JNVST admission card in this required file. Click to submit button. The Navodaya selection list will be displayed. Review list carefully and print its the candidates records if necessary. Is there any reasons on the JNV waiting list? The Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti JNV followers a reservation policy for admissions included for the student on the waiting list. This ensures representation for these various categories when seats become available for the waiting list. The same reasons policy is applied. This means that if a seats open up a specified category SC, the first student on the waiting list for the categories will be offered the seats. Rural area students are lead 75 listed. Of 75 seats, percent seats are reserved for students for rural areas. SC/ST categories reservation are provided for scheduled caste SC and scheduled tribe ST student in proportion to their population in these districts, but not less than the national average. OBC category 27% seats are received for other backward classes. OBC non-creamy layer students. Girl 1/3 of the seats are reserved for girls students. Representation with the distribution 3% of seats are reserved for children with disabilities. OH healing import and versus handicapped. As there, this Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti NVS maintain the waiting list of our admission following the release of this interest select its students who appeared for the interest exam but were not selected are placed on this waiting list. How many students are selected in JNV class 6? The number of students selected for JNV class 6 can vary. Each ईयर्स हाउएवर इट्स टू अराउंड 80 स्टूडेंट पर नवोदय विद्यालय। आशा करते हैं ये दी गई जानकारी आपको अच्छी लग रही है। हमारे द्वारा बताई गई जानकारी आपके लिए बहुत ही लाभकारी है। आशा करते हैं इस वीडियो में अंत तक बने रहने के लिए धन्यवाद। और ये जानकारी जो निकल के आ रही है नवोदय विद्यालय समिति द्वारा, जो आपके लिए बहुत ही लाभकारी है। इस प्रकार के महत्वपूर्ण वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें अपने साथियों के साथ। मिलते हैं एक और नए इन्फॉर्मेशन वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए मैं आपका सोनलाल लेता हूँ आज्ञा। जय हिंद, जय भारत।